Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. The straightforward guide to replacing an anti-lock brake control relay. The anti-lock control relay is a crucial component in your vehicle's braking system, playing a key role in ensuring safety and optimal performance. This relay is responsible for controlling the anti-lock braking system, ABS, a feature designed to prevent wheels from locking up during sudden braking, thus maintaining steering control and reducing the risk of skidding. By regulating the ABS, the anti-lock control relay helps your vehicle respond effectively to sudden stops, particularly in slippery road conditions or emergencies. This not only enhances safety for you and your passengers but also improves overall braking efficiency and stability. Understanding the significance of the anti-lock control relay replacement is essential for maintaining your vehicle's braking system and ensuring it functions reliably when needed most. In this video, we will delve into the importance of timely relay replacement, guiding you through the process and highlighting key considerations to help you make informed decisions regarding your vehicle's maintenance. Signs that indicate a faulty anti-lock control relay. Have you noticed peculiar behaviors in your vehicle's braking system lately? Your vehicle's safety might be compromised by a faulty anti-lock control relay. Let's delve into some common signs that could serve as warnings for a potential anti-lock control relay issue. ABS warning light. The anti-lock braking system, ABS, warning light on your dashboard is like a sentinel, keeping a watchful eye over your braking system. When this light stays illuminated even after starting your vehicle, it could be signaling a possible malfunction in the anti-lock control relay. This warning light is your car's way of alerting you to a problem that needs attention. Ignoring it might lead to compromised braking performance and safety risks on the road. Brake locking up. Imagine cruising down the road and suddenly experiencing your brakes locking up unexpectedly. A faulty anti-lock control relay could be the culprit behind this unsettling scenario. When the relay malfunctions, it can send incorrect signals to the ABS, causing the brakes to engage or disengage at inappropriate times. This erratic behavior not only affects your vehicle's handling but also poses a significant safety hazard. A locked-up brake can lead to loss of control, especially in emergency braking situations, increasing the risk of accidents. By staying vigilant for these signs and taking prompt action, you can ensure the proper functioning of your vehicle's braking system. Remember, safety always comes first when it comes to maintaining your car. Diagnostic steps for identifying a faulty anti-lock control relay. When encountering issues with your vehicle's anti-lock control system, a systematic diagnostic approach can help pinpoint the root cause, potentially saving time and money on repairs. Here are essential steps to help you identify a faulty anti-lock control relay. Using a diagnostic scanner. A diagnostic scanner is a handy tool that can provide valuable insights into your vehicle's intricate systems, including the anti-lock control relay. Begin by locating the diagnostic port in your car, usually found beneath the dashboard. Connect the scanner to the port and follow the prompts to scan for error codes related to the anti-lock system. By interpreting the codes displayed on the scanner, you can narrow down the possible malfunctions affecting the relay. Look for specific codes related to the relay, indicating issues such as electrical failures or circuit malfunctions. Utilize the scanner's guide or manual to understand the meaning of each code and take appropriate action. Checking relay connections. Inspecting the relay connections is a crucial step in diagnosing a faulty anti-lock control relay. Start by locating the relay, typically found in the fuse box under the hood or dashboard. Carefully examine the connections for any signs of corrosion, loose wires, or physical damage. Corrosion on the relay connections can impede proper electrical flow, leading to malfunctions in the anti-lock system. Clean the connections using a contact cleaner and a soft brush to remove any buildup that may be causing issues. Ensure all wires are securely attached and free of damage that could disrupt the relay's functionality. Regularly checking and maintaining relay connections can help prevent potential failures in the anti-lock system, ensuring your vehicle remains safe and responsive on the road. By combining the use of a diagnostic scanner and thorough inspection of relay connections, you can effectively diagnose and address issues with the anti-lock control relay. Replacement of the anti-lock control relay. After uncovering the importance of safety measures such as disconnecting the battery and donning protective gear, it's crucial to gather the necessary tools for a smooth replacement process. Ensure you have wrenches, screwdrivers, and any specialized tools at hand before proceeding. Safety precautions. Taking preventive safety measures is paramount before diving into the replacement process. It's vital to disconnect the battery to avoid any electrical mishaps. Additionally, wearing protective gear like gloves and safety goggles is essential to shield yourself from any potential harm. Tools needed. To successfully replace the anti-lock control relay, you'll need a set of tools to facilitate the process. Make sure to have wrenches of various sizes to loosen and tighten bolts, screwdrivers for removing covers and screws, and any specialized tools recommended for this particular task. Replacement process. Now that safety precautions are in place and the tools are ready, let's delve into the step-by-step process of replacing the anti-lock control relay. Begin by locating the old relay, typically found near the fuse box or within the engine compartment. Carefully disconnect the electrical connector and remove the mounting screws holding the relay in place. Once the old relay is removed, replace it with the new one, ensuring a secure fit. Reconnect the electrical connector and tighten the mounting screws. Before closing up, testing the anti-lock system to ensure proper functionality is crucial. By following these safety measures, acquiring the necessary tools, and meticulously executing the replacement process, you can effectively replace the anti-lock control relay in your vehicle without any hassle. Testing the anti-lock control system. After replacing the anti-lock control relay, it's crucial to conduct thorough testing to ensure the system functions effectively. Testing the anti-lock control system involves a test drive procedure and the verification of repairs to guarantee the relay replacement has addressed the initial issues. Let's delve into the steps required for testing and verifying the anti-lock control system. Test drive procedure. Preparation. Before beginning the test drive, ensure the vehicle is in a safe and open area without traffic. Buckle up and adjust the mirrors for optimal visibility. Acceleration test. Gradually accelerate the vehicle to different speeds, from slow to moderate, to assess the operation of the anti-lock control system. Braking test. Perform controlled braking at various speeds to observe the braking response. Pay attention to any vibrations, noises, or unusual behavior during braking. Turning test. Make both left and right turns to evaluate the anti-lock control system's performance during cornering. Observe if the system engages appropriately to prevent skidding. Verification of repairs. Functional checks. After the test drive, conduct a series of functional checks by activating the anti-lock system in different driving scenarios to confirm its functionality. Diagnostic scan. Use a diagnostic tool to check for any error codes or malfunctions in the system. Ensure there are no existing issues that could affect the anti-lock control system's performance. Road simulation. Simulate real-world driving conditions to verify that the replacement relay has successfully resolved the initial issues that prompted the repair. By following these steps and conducting a comprehensive test drive along with verifying the repairs, you can ensure that the anti-lock control system is operating effectively post-relay replacement. Thorough testing is essential to guarantee the safety and performance of the vehicle on the road. Addressing issues with your anti-lock control relay is crucial for your vehicle's overall safety and performance. By promptly replacing a faulty relay, you can ensure that your ABS functions optimally, allowing for safer and more controlled braking in various driving conditions. Remember, if you are unsure about how to replace the anti-lock control relay yourself, it is always best to seek professional help. A qualified mechanic can efficiently diagnose any relay issues and replace them with precision, giving you peace of mind on the road. Don't delay in addressing anti-lock control relay issues. Prioritize your safety and the well-being of your vehicle by taking proactive steps to maintain a reliable ABS. Trust the experts to keep your car running smoothly and safely for miles to come. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.